Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm currently in the middle of doing some design work for a performing arts group who have got the production of Cinderella Pantomime of Cinderella coming up in November. So I have been charged with doing their promotional materials, the programme cover design, and I'm also sort of locked into doing lots of stage set design as well at the moment, which is great and a load of fun. But I wanted to show you this process of making the main character for the Cinderella programme cover and for their flyers and posters, because there's two sides to the character of Cinderella. Obviously Cinder's, you know, the downtrodden girl, bullied by her evil stepmother and her two stepsisters, and obviously the beautiful princess that marries the prince at the end of the show, at the end of the story. And I wanted to use that as a theme very much in terms of the design. So I wanted to design the character of Cinderella and show the two sides of the story within the one image. And so I split them down the centre, and you'll see what I mean. The one side's very much of the downtrodden girl, and the other side is very much of the princess that she eventually becomes after marrying the prince, happily ever after. As I say, I'm doing this work for a local performing arts group called All Stars Performing Arts. Ta-da! Okay, who are a fantastic group, and I've been involved with them for quite some years, and they put on some brilliant shows. So yes, I've enjoyed this process, so I thought I'd share it with you anyway, and I hope you enjoy it. Check it out.